And we have something called smart search. Can you all see this plus icon with a search? This one, switch search mode.
Yeah, we see.
If I click, yeah,
Yes.
if I click on it, can you see this search window is expanded?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so can somebody tell what does this mean? Like it's showing some article number. Article number is like product ID. Identifier is product name, then catalog version, and we have some more options here to add, right?
If I don't have, for example, for the article number, just the contains, and I just have 3 or 5 digits, I'm doing it with the star and then write the digits, or can I just write, for example, 5151 and it shows me all article numbers with 5151?
Yes, it will show all with 5151. So, for
Yeah.
example, you want to check 5511. Okay. So it has some operations
But
like equals.
no, but it's just if it contains, there could be several article numbers. My question is just if I need to put a star in front of the 5 and pass
No,
the
no,
last one, or I can just put it like that.
only 511.
Okay.
Yeah. If I search, you can see only it will return 511. It has
Yeah.
511 in the middle, right? Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is
Yeah.
also.
Mm-hmm.
And this has at the ending. So wherever there is a 511, it will return.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. I want to do up starting with, for example, I want to check the equals. Okay, 115117. So if I just search it, it will just return two products. Okay.
And it always shows the staged and the online product.
That you can configure from where? Tell me from this four,
Mm-hmm.
where I should put a filter here, right?
Mm-hmm. In the
Catalog
catalog
version.
version,
Yeah. If I make it, for example, you just want to see the apparel
staged.
stage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where is it? Apparel. Product catalog stage. You want to see this one. So you are adding a filter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So this is called advanced search and this is called normal search. Here if you type something it will return irrespective of catalog, irrespective of article number or name, anything you can search. Correct? But you want to search in a specific way. So you can use this advanced search from where? Here I am clicking. This is called advanced search. You can add some more filters also, like content unit. You just add it and you'll click on this plus icon. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
This way you can search more specifically your products. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are checking electronics, right? For now. So I'll do one thing. I'll just add the electronics product catalog stage. I can add one more filter, right? I want to see only electronics product catalog stage and online both. So what I'll select from here? Catalog version, right? I'll select online. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, both it will not show. So there is a global operator or why it's not showing, can someone tell? Because there is no product which will have both the catalogs in it, right? It will have either stage or online, correct? So what I'll do, I'll make it or, yeah. Am I able to see the products?
Yes.
Yes.
Understand what I do? So you can search more specific way through this window. Okay. There is another way to search it. How can I search it? I want to, for example, search with some online from. Okay. For example, I'm opening this one. Okay. Yeah. Can you see these dates? Online
Mm-hmm.
from and online to, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So let me do one thing. I'm just adding it these dates for some time. Okay. I'm just putting this date online from this date. You may have requirement to search it, right? This way. Okay. You want to check what all our product has online from date as September 11. So it will show me this, all the products. Correct? Got it?
Why it's why do I here see only staged? I thought we had
Oh,
two.
no, no, it has. Actually, you can see the
Ah,
number of
okay.
pages.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, total 564 products. And you can go to
Mm-hmm.
next pages clicking on these buttons. Okay.
Okay, because on the view before we saw one product and we saw it in two lines, one's online and one's staged. So here
Yes.
the view is different. I see it
Yeah, it
first
will.
staged and then
Yeah.
somewhere on the back sides. online.
Yeah, that's how it's showing. First it's showing stage, then it will show the online one. Yeah, can you see
Yeah.
online? So it's
Yes.
just a pagination sort of thing, like, because it will
Mm-hmm.
not show all the products in a single page, right? So I
Yeah.
have total 564 items, which is showing in 11 pages.
Okay, I have one question. Status column articles with status red or yellow have what meaning?
Okay, so which means approval status. Let me open it.
Oh,
What is that? Check. This
Approval status is the approval is depending on what? Who should do the approval? It's the catalog specialist or
for catalog, for
yeah,
example, catalog,
for
I'll
just
jump
the
in
product,
later.
the new product.
Yeah, so for product, when we are talking about product catalog, so that approval will be done by the product team, whoever is the
Okay.
owner of the product. Okay.
Yeah. And if a product has the status yellow and it's just a mistake, someone tries to put that product, synchronize it to online, is it possible or not? With the
Uh,
if there is the yellow, a product is yellow or red. Red, I think wouldn't be possible, but yellow, yes, it is
uh,
possible. Okay.
yeah, it is possible, I guess. You can sync, but this is in online version. Okay. So background, like technical person can write a check. What I think it's already written in the SAP side.
Mhm.
Once only it will show the products which is approved in online. Got it? Because approved
No,
means I
because
am.
it is because that one product 2054948 is
Mhm,
has the status electronics product catalog online is online,
mhm.
and I have the yellow sign.
Yeah. I'm saying technical person can write a logic based on this attribute, right? And they will only show the approved products to the customer, because check means it's not approved yet, right? It's just checked. So once it's approved by, for example, I'm a product manager, correct? Unless I
Um,
am approving it, got it?
mhm.
So I am approving
Yes,
it,
I think
then
I
only
got
I
it.
should.
It's in the online catalog, but the customer can't see it.
Yes, correct. Back office, I mean, here you can see it, but in the website,
Yes.
we don't need to show it. So that logic can be
Okay.
written by the technical person. Got it?
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
So
yeah.
this is the meaning. And what is this meaning? This is for the synchronized status.
Hmm.
Synchronized means
Yeah.
whether it's synchronized with the stage and online, or like how many stage you have. Is it synchronized or not? So this is the status of that. Got it?
Hmm.
So this is overall the search and the product related. I'll go each tab of the product. Any other questions before related to the search or whatever we discussed till now?
From me, no.
Anyone
no,
else?
no.
Okay.
No, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can you see the description? Yeah. So these all are different attributes. Like you can define the product description here. Then there is sales unit, like how the product will be sold basically in pieces, or there is another unit out of the box that is PCE. Okay. And similar way, you can create new units also from here. Can you see in every place you will get a like you can create a new one, new unit
Hmm.
or any other steps. Once I edit
Yes.
anything, can you see this save button is enabled? Okay. So whenever you are making a change in any attribute of any table, like it can be categories, products, catalog versions, you need to save it to reflect it. Or by mistake also, for example, you made some mistake, you don't want to save it, you will click on refresh. If I refresh, you'll see it will be reverted. Is it reverted?
Hmm.
Got it? Then there is this attributes tab. So can you see this attributes? Article number is, as I told, product ID. Identifier is the name. And there is this some globe icon, right? If I click on the globe icon, we can see some language ISO code, right?
Okay.
But
Yeah.
is it possible to have as an more than those few attributes? Because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
maybe with electronic devices there are not so many attributes, but if you are selling beverages or food, you have much more attributes like bio, like don't know, maybe beef and regional. If I
Correct.
want to put about 10, 20 attributes.
Yeah, that can be done. Okay. So whatever these attributes you are saying, right? For example, you want to add a new more attribute here.
Mm-hmm.
So what you will do, you will ask your development team, hey, I need this attribute, new attribute to segregate something or for my beverage section. So your development team will do, they will do a new, they will introduce a new column in the table basically, which is like for a functional standpoint, it's called a attribute.
Mm-hmm.
And for a development, it's
Mm-hmm.
called a like new column to the table. Okay, in a technical
Okay.
standpoint. Okay, so they will introduce it and then you will be able to see it.
Yes.
So
Is there
generally,
a limit to the count of attributes or
no. There is no
no?
limit.
Okay.
No. Yeah. You can see like there are, I was telling, right, in admin also. Okay. Yeah. Can you see there are many attributes which don't have any data, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like manufacturer description. Because those all were not needed, like whatever SAP is providing out of the box. But those attributes can exist.
Okay.
So there is no limit for it. You can create n number of attributes. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Is that answer your question?
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. And one more thing, like here also you can see some attributes. Here also there are some attributes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here, then there is something called extended attributes. Okay. So whatever
Mm-hmm.
tabs you are seeing, right? For example, you are introducing a
Mm-hmm.
new attribute. So if you are not like, not you actually, whatever your like whoever your development team is, if they are not putting that attribute where to show it, so then it will show it in the admin tab. Whatever new attribute you are introducing to the system, that will show under administrator tab of any table or any feature, any widget. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You want to show it, for example, you want to show it under attributes only, correct? Because your team is used to with the back office and they know what to check what, correct? So from a business person or a functional standpoint, you will give the requirement to development team. Look, I need a attribute call, for example, for a attribute, for example, country flag or something like that. Okay. You are introducing a new attribute called country flag to product. Okay. And you want to show it under attributes tab. So you will give the requirement to your development team that you will need an attribute called country flag under product and it should be visible under attributes. Okay. So once development will be done by your development team, that attribute should be visible where? Under attributes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got it? If not, then it will show under administrator. But this is the functional call. I mean, whenever you will start working as a functional person in SAP Commerce, then it will be your call, like where to show the attribute in a back office. You want to show under attributes, bundling, category system, prices, anywhere you want to show. Just that you need to give the requirement to your development team. They will be able to
Mm-hmm.
do it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I was talking about this button, right? Globe. You can see in multiple places there is a globe icon, right? Here also there is a globe icon, correct? So this is called localization. What it's called? Localization, language specific. Because specifically I'll talk about the name, right? So product name for example, ZH is Chinese, right? For Chinese will not show in English, correct? The product name. I need to show it in Chinese language, correct? So that kind of configurations we can do it here. So this is called localization. For English, I'll show it in English. For Japanese, this is Japanese. So I'll not show it in English. So you can edit it and you will put the translation in Japanese character instead of this English. Same for D. So those kind of customizations or separation for any attribute, and that attribute should be declared as localized by the development team. Okay. And it will show like that. Default will be always English in SAP Commerce. Okay. And you can update your languages. Any questions?
No.
Not at the moment.
Okay. Yeah, by default, these all are the language supported by SAP. Okay. And if you want, you can increase it. You can add more languages if required. Okay. So these all are customizable. Okay. Yeah. So once you get the system, you can explore these attributes, what all are there and not. And attributes will vary, as you told, like for restaurant business or beverages it will different. So yeah, it will vary from business to business. And bundling, can somebody tell me, like, what does it mean? Bundling means some kind of combo, right?
Yeah.
Combo.
Mhm.
Correct. So this is also, it was not there till 1905, this feature. Like I worked on a project like last year. There we used to have so many bundle products, like product A, product B, product C under a bundle. If somebody wants to purchase that bundle, then it will be lesser than individual prices. Okay. But recently SAP introduced in 2105 version, or I think 2005 version. From there SAP introduced this bundling feature. Okay. And there is this flag called sold individually, which means this product can be sold in a bundle, also in a individual also. Okay. Because you might have some product which is only allowed in a combo box or a bundle, not sold individually. So for that product it will be false. But if it's allowed to sold individually or in a bundle, then it will be true. And how we configure the bundles? So this is the configuration. We have basically three attributes, which is called bundle template, conditional rules, and target bundle rules. Okay. So I'll just show you quickly. For example, you are configuring a bundle template called bundle A, okay, which will contain product A, B, and C. Okay. For example, product A price is $20, 25, 30. Okay. So if you are buying these three products, how much will be total cost? Like individually,
75.
75, right? So if you're buying it individually, then it will be $75. But if you're configuring this bundle, okay, where if customer orders bundle A, which will contains these products, and you are configuring the price, which is conditional bundle rules or target bundle rules. So which will contains the modified prices, okay, and you are giving the price as $70. So how much customer is saving on a bundle? $5, right?
$5. When a customer, if you make a bundle, the customer can order product A, B, C individually, and the back end, as a technically, is it made to a bundle and he gets the special price, or
Yes.
is the bundle shown in the view of the customer and he has really to order the bundle?
No, if it's individually sold, okay, so then
Yes.
customer will get two options. Okay, for example, I'm searching product A as an individual, then it will show
Yes.
$20. But for bundle, whenever I'm configuring a bundle, so it will have a bundle ID. Okay, so for
Okay, and
example,
the
I'm
bundle will shown as a separate icon or
yes,
product?
separate product page basically.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
yeah,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
that page it will
I was
show.
just wondering if it's technically possible that if I on the back end
Huh,
design a bundle and a customer is ordering products, all products of this of that bundle, that he automatically gets the price of the bundle.
yeah, so they need to order the bundle to get this discount. So whenever we can
Mhm.
do this search customization, for example, I'm searching product A, then I should show
Mhm.
the bundle A also. Okay, so that
Okay, yeah.
customer will know it, that okay, I want to buy product ABC, it costing me $75, but if I'm buying it in bundle, so then it
So
will be like $5 less. Yeah,
yeah, okay. So if a customer is searching product A, it's possible to show, uh,
correct,
look here, if you buy A and you buy B, C in that bundle, you get a special price.
correct, correct,
Okay,
correct.
okay, thank you.